we start a discussion on an issue making headlines. As countries across the world reel from the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic, governments are rolling out rescue plans and fiscal stimulus on an unprecedented scale to safeguard the livelihoods of people and save businesses from shutting down completely. Authorities are also going to extraordinary lengths to trace and track citizens using digital technology to enforce quarantines. Now, the power of the government is growing amid this pandemic, leading to questions over how much control it may exert over our lives in the post-COVID era. Joining us today, we have Katherine Barbieri, Associate Professor and Vice Chair of Political Science at the University of South Carolina, and Jeremy Kaplan, Vice President and Editor-in-Chief of Digital Trends. My first question to you, Dr. Barbieri. Across the world, governments are introducing multi-trillion-dollar stimulus packages to salvage their economies, meaning that millions upon millions of individuals and businesses, they're going to become largely dependent on government funds and programs. Does this mark a shift to a powerful central government, and would this be good or bad for society?
Actually, I think that the government always intervenes in the economy to some extent, and right now it's doing so in the face of a crisis. And I would say that's better than them doing nothing. So I don't really see that after the crisis ends, it's going to play a much larger role. In the 1930s, for example, Keynes supported the notion that government should intervene in order to stimulate the economy. There have been calls whenever there is government market crises for governments to intervene. We're seeing the same thing now, but in general, we're following the same trends we have in the past with public and private ventures together. And so you're seeing that in medical research now. And if anything, the government is cutting back on some of its regulations to allow market actors to introduce products more rapidly. So I would not say we're going to see a great increase in government intervention.
But then, though, people have been relying on the government to get subsidies, to get income to support their livelihoods. And there's also a growing demand for healthcare, though. Don't you see a bigger role, though, for government in public life?
See, actually, in the U.S., I would say there are competing forces on both sides. And we see that throughout democratic societies, that you have those on the right and the left calling for very different things. And so while we see the call by some, like Bernie Sanders and his supporters, call for health care, Biden and others do not want support of general health care. And so it's unlikely that that will happen in terms of the number of the population that support it. But we do see, again, there'll at least be a dialogue where people are talking about the role the government should play in providing health care, but I don't see it happening right now. I do see public support for people who are harmed by the economic crisis, but again, a lot of people now are saving at the same time that weren't saving in the past. So people are hurting, but once the economy starts back up, there's pent up demand, and I imagine a lot of people will be taking vacations and buying clothing and doing things that they hadn't done in months.
Well, some have cast some skepticism over how fast recovery is going to come about, really. But moving on, Dr. Barbieri, before the pandemic, there were growing concerns over authoritarianism fueled by populism all across the world. Is there a danger of that if big government, if there's big government across the world, and do you think that could actually ramp up support for more strongman leaders?
Yeah, I've looked at this a lot in terms of arguments about authoritarian leaders growing, and looked at some of the indicators of whether repression has increased in democracies. And what I find is that the countries have behaved according to how they have been behaving for many years. And so you see in the West, where there are countries with strong institutions, throughout the world, countries that are democratic with strong institutions remain consistent with those policies. Even in the US, where there were fears about what might happen, the government has very much kept pace with the rule of law. That is, there's a clear separation between the federal government and the state government, despite tensions that exist in the US and other places over the role that the state government should play, local versus federal government. So I have far less concerns than what many people are talking about, the fears about authoritarianism. That does not mean that authoritarians don't exist throughout the world. We see them, and if anything, the COVID virus and what happened in China has simply shined a light for others to see. So many of us who study international politics turn our attention to what China does in its country, to its people, all the time. And the rest of the world may have been unaware of it, and now at least this is shining a light on it.
Right. Well, Mr. Kaplan, there are, in addition to some concerns about the possibility of populism surging, there are also privacy concerns. Governments, they're using a combination of location data, video camera footage, and even credit card records to track citizens. What are the dangers of contact tracing leading to misuse and end up breaching public trust?
Yeah, location data is a fascinating area. It's the cutting edge of privacy concerns these days. There is a real risk of this type of data being misused. However, I would like to stress there's great potential and power when this data is used. There isn't an inherent risk in collecting data, and there isn't even an inherent risk in using it. The problem is when it gets abused. So think about the potential for location data. I would call your attention to mapping software and mapping applications. These are programs that by default will track exactly where you are. Used in the aggregate, municipalities and transportation departments can use this to streamline the way that streets work, that traffic moves, to find places where there are traffic bottlenecks, to find out where people break down, where accidents occur, and streamline those, fix things. However, there is definitely a risk with your personal location data being abused. We have this unique situation now where contact tracing is taking advantage of location data. That's a good thing. If we can use location data safely and effectively to reduce the risk of spread of this virus, that's wonderful. We should absolutely take advantage of that. However, do governments hang on to that data? Do they use it in other ways? Are they using it to track some of the protests we see going on and some of the people that are raising their voices today? If location data is being misused or used incorrectly, that's a real challenge and a problem today.
So really, Dr. Barbieri, when it comes to this massive amount of data that governments are accruing, well, you said that the United States is abiding by the rule of law, which some may object to actually, but for some governments in the world, do you think this could be the perfect excuse for expanding the surveillance apparatus?
Well, when you say excuse, it would be, can COVID contribute to greater surveillance? And I would argue that surveillance is going on throughout our lives, and it's going on by governments and private actors. In the US, for example, I would say private companies are collecting data all the time. Most people know that if they buy the Google devices or the Amazon devices, that those devices collect information. When people are speaking in their homes, they then get marketing products towards what they were discussing in their private conversations. So I think the issue is that we have to realize that the public space is much greater than it was in the past, and the private space is decreasing. And there are many actors who want to acquire information, whether it's surveillance of any kind of communications, facial recognition. But again, this has been going on. It's just how they use it. And in Western democracies, they're compiling the data like everywhere else. They just can't use it against me in court, let's say. That doesn't mean they don't have every single word that I've said. It's that there's still protections that it cannot be used against me in court. And that, I would say, is usually the case. And so there are cases where you see Apple fighting with police officials to gain access to an iPhone. I think there are technologies where secret services can gain that access and have access to all of those technologies, but they can't use it in court. So I have far less fears. Well, not less fears. I just don't think we have much privacy in the world today.
If I could jump back in, you made a really great point. It's the changing nature of public versus private. And yes, you're exactly right. There's less there's less private space and a growth in public space. And we've traditionally thought about ourselves as being in a privacy cocoon at all times, and the reality is we're not. It's being underscored by the surveillance society we do see building around us with cameras everywhere you look. But honestly, the expectation that you have this complete private bubble when you're walking around in public, maybe we as a society need to change shape our concepts around that.
Exactly, Mr. Kaplan. I mean, there have been concerns of what they call surveillance capitalism. It's not just surveillance by the government, but also big businesses as well, like taking up all the data that's being amassed about our lives. What kind of regulations or ethical guidelines do you think need to be put in place to actually balance the need for tech and data for the public good versus protecting people's privacy?
There's always this conversation that goes on in the technology world, and the answer is always the same. It's build things with privacy installed at the get-go, with a thought towards privacy from step number one. It's a real challenge to go back to an application, back to a software, to a technology, whatever it is, and patch all of the security holes that have come up, because you'll never find them all. There will always be something new. But if you start from the get-go and say, and that's whether it's artificial intelligence, whether it's a new technology like 5G, or whether it's contact tracing applications. If you start from a premise that privacy needs to be maintained and that data needs to be secured and safeguarded, then there shouldn't be any issues. And if you start instead from a perception that we're just going to share this data willy-nilly, we're going to gather it and do whatever we want with it, that's when you have problems. So as long as we start from the right foundation, we should be at least headed in the right direction.
Mr. Kaplan, just before we go, well, some people say that this could actually be a chance for governments to establish a new normal, as companies as well, they're depending on them for huge bailouts. What do you think governments then can do to make sure that these companies, they seek broader societal benefit and they actually help in terms of building social safety nets?
Well, I think it's of paramount importance that governments listen to the voice of the people. We've got an outcry going on here in the United States right now, and capturing that information, the sentiment of the public, is one easy way to say, here's what we should be doing. This is what the society is asking for. How do we redirect our attention to ensure that we fulfill those needs? We've seen a lot of effort from private industries, the biggest technology companies, Facebook, Microsoft, et cetera, making small donations, I would call them cursory even, towards addressing some of this public sentiment. Here's $1 million, here's $10 million. These are companies that have billions of dollars in the bank. Perhaps they could be doing more. And what you see is employees of these private companies raising their voices against their employers, saying, you need to do more. Now, the question is, does the government see the same thing? Do they hear the same voice? And do they act on it in the same way? It's going to be very interesting to see how the world reacts as the public gains its voice again. We had great movements in the 60s. There was a great protest movement in the 70s. It sounds like it's rising up again. The people are gaining their voice. What happens because of that?
I think it's really important what you said, that people's voices are heard amid this technological development and the expansion of government services as well that we're seeing. Well, this is where we'll have to wrap up the discussion today, but it's been wonderful speaking with you both. Katherine Barbieri, Associate Professor and Vice Chair of Politics at the University of South Carolina, and Jeremy Kaplan, Vice President and Editor-in-Chief of Digital Trends. Thank you so much, both of you, for joining us.
Thank you. Thank you for having me. Bye.
This is also where we wrap up our show. As always, thank you for watching.